How to glow up in 2021 fast. Let's face it, glow up is just a cutesy, punny way to say, start looking sexy. No, it's not, say the PCSJW Instagrammers. It means you've embraced your maturing identity and are exploring the wonderful world of physical aesthetic. Please, just look at all the before-after photos. It seems pretty clear to me. On one side you see a weedy preteen dressed in Old Navy or Justice, and on the other you see a girl with a bangin'. Or something similar. But I digress. Let us call a spade and address the question of how you can become sexy. See, it's a little more awkward when you say it like that. Now, coming from a 16-year-old, it's probably disgustingly hypocritical for me to say, don't worry about it too much. Heck, I'm worrying about how I look every damn day. Why should you glow up? A little self-care can go a long way when you're stuck at home. Luckily, there is an assortment of wellness-inspired ways to decorate your space with health and positivity in mind. From improving your quality of sleep with better bedding to turning your bathroom into a spa-like sanctuary, here's how to glow up in 2021 with the help of some stylish home decor items. Glowing up can have an empowering transformation of who you are by making you the best version of yourself. Here are my reasons for wanting to glow up. 1. To feel physically better and healthier. 2. Get into better habits. 3. Become more confident. 4. Lose weight. 5. Encourage natural beauty. 6. Develop better skills. 7. To flourish. Here are some ways to get a glow, without makeup. 1. Improve your quality of sleep. 2. Turn your bathroom into a sanctuary. 3. Start a gratitude journal. 4. Create a weekly exercise schedule. 5. Use decor that promotes healthy skin and hair. 6. Stay inspired. Some more tips to glow up fast. 1. Exfoliate. Keep your skin smooth and refined to help maintain your summer glow by exfoliating. 2. Eat beta-carotenes. 3. Cut out toxins. 4. Exercise. 5. Consider juicing. 6. Reflect the light. 7. Pop a pill. 8. Do facial massage. Here are my tried and true tips. 1. Exercise. It doesn't matter if you play a sport, dance, or just do burpees in your bedroom. The point is to sweat often and for a respectable amount of time. 2. Personal hygiene. Not complicated. Just stay clean. Do a little research so you're not putting garbage products on your skin. 3. Clothing. Figure out what you like and what looks good on you. It's a pretty safe policy to just copy the mainstream and then dress a tad more classic than that. 4. Eat right. Once again, do a little research so you're not putting garbage in your body. The teen physique is in general very good at coping with a shitty diet, but a healthy one is still far better. Learn to eat fairly healthy and stick to it. 5. Makeup a no-go? Don't worry about it right now. Seriously. 6. Confidence. 7. Yikes. The tough one. All I can say here is lose your fear of working hard and looking stupid. In short, think of your habits now as an investment towards a future of eternal, sexy glowing. Best of